This is another toy that's included in the 10 Toys in 10 Minutes kit, and it's a great toy for the little birds. You use a palm spring. We're going to make a millet holder here. You get a piece of poly rope in the kit. You're going to thread that through somewhere about in the center, and then we're going to string on some beads. All of these parts are included in the kit. And this is a cute part, a small star, plastic star. It's great, gives them something to play with. And then to finish it off, we're going to tie a pear link on here. That'll be how you're going to be able to hang it in the cage. Just tie a nice double knot. I'm going to tighten this up and cut off the hanging thread so I don't have too much hanging there. And there you go. There you have it. You've got your millet holder for the small birds. Nice natural millet holder.